What is up? It's your boy Loco, and today we got out at the yard, and I think boss was asking about my LS harness video from today. So this is what you want right here. Got you I believe it's a 5.3. I haven't looked at the heads yet. Got you your drive-by cable. I want to say that says 862. But the main thing about this, what you want to look for, I did it the hard way. This one is perfect because the entire transmission is gone, and they already unhooked it for you. They cut a wire, I think that's the O2 wire, and they took the starter out. So depending on all they cut, fuse box still there. They took the wires off the starter, or the starter's loose. So we may snag another one, boys. See, the wire is all undone for you. And I needed a second harness. So yeah, we might go ahead and get this. Alright, hit you back. So I did this one a little differently. And I'm taking off this bracket right here for the alternator and power steering pump. And then on the fuse box, I didn't cut any wires. I just took the harness for the main engine out. And this one was way easier. One, the transmission was gone, so I had plenty of room to just pull the harness through there. I mean, look at all the room. And then two, the starter was loose because the transmission was gone, so it was just dangling underneath the car. So I want to say that was 2 13s and a 7 or 8 for the small one. I think it's a 7. And like I said, the fuse box, that bolt that holds the box, is a 7. And everything else went pretty smooth. I mean, it took me probably like an hour. This harness is probably about 98-99% complete. There were 1 or 2 connectors that broke. The one to the oil pan was broken, but I have the connector, so I can put it back together or just get a pigtail from another one. And I think on the transmission there was one cable broken, which I'll have to look at my other harness and see what it is, but it's not one of the main ones. But yep, got those out. Got another harness. Then I got another 411, so that one I probably will send to Chris, but I'll let you know on that one. But that's more likely that's going to Chris. Anyway guys, it's your boy Loco. I didn't plan on pulling the harness, but I told Steve, man, when you see a part, you gotta pull it when you see it. So I pulled that harness. Took me like an hour. I got like a full tank of gas on one of my shoes from the injectors. But anyway, check out my giveaway. I'm giving away 3 Steelman Pro ratchets, 1 1/2 inch, 1 3/8, and a 3-piece half, 3/8, and quarter set out to you guys. So make sure to go ahead and comment on that video, subscribe, and good luck to everyone. So remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.